One, two, three, and...
Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since my last knitting video, and today I have a very simple but very exciting project to share with you guys. So here is the story. About 2 weeks ago, the bomb cyclone swept our area and we were out of power for 72 hours. And we were not the worst. Some of the neighborhood lost power for 5 days, and some of the areas even the power outage lasted for probably up to 10 days. So no power, no internet. Life got really chaotic, especially for kids. They didn't know how to live a life without power and internet. Everything is closed, and I actually quite enjoyed. I'm not saying, okay, let me re-put it. It's not like I enjoyed. I think I'm okay with the power outage for 72 hours. One thing is that it did get a little bit cold because our area, we're already in the winter, so that's the downside. I pretty much lived a very primitive life. I went to bed when the sun set, and I got up when the sun rise. Interesting enough is that I think it's the perfect time to do some knitting. So I did knit a lot during the 72 hours. I did finish a project, which is the one that I'm gonna show you today. I finished knitting this tank top that I've been talking about. This is a very quick and easy project because the yarn is very chunky, but I did repeat it several times because I took them off and re-knit. If you are returning viewers, you know that I knit without a pattern. So I just recreated this tank top. Used my bra as a guidance. The thing is, I was constantly challenged by my camera and my cell phone run out of power. I probably didn't record the whole process. I did record some of the process, so I'll try to edit the process, kind of the tutorial how to knit this bra top. Also, I don't know if you remember, I talked about this Hope Macaulay chunky knit sweater several times. I knitted this the first year of COVID, which was probably 4 years ago, but I don't like this color. So I'm re-knitting this cardigan, and then I finished this March. So I'm using this yarn to knit that cardigan. The problem is I ran out of yarn of this one. I did went to my local Joann stores and they were sold out, and I also tried to buy the same yarn online and it was sold out as well. So there are no ways that I can get more of this yarn to finish this sweater. The plan is I'm gonna show you this bra top, and then I need to take this bra top apart because I need the yarn to finish that cardigan. I'm definitely buying another yarn to this bra. I'm gonna try it on. So, but first, let me try that cardigan that I've been talking about first. This cardigan that I'm re-knitting. It's nothing bad. So I also added a button here. This is my first cardigan that I knitted after I picked up my knitting hobby. Several years ago, I was very into bright colors, color block, burnt orange, and now I hate this orange color. My plan is I'm gonna replace this burnt orange color with another color and re-knit this cardigan in color block. Another thing about this cardigan that I want to take it apart is this area is not very comfortable. This was my first project. I didn't do the armhole thing. Here it's just a straight line, so it ends up here has a lot of extra yarn and it's very uncomfortable. For the new cardigan that I'm gonna knit, I'm gonna shape the armhole so it doesn't have excess yarn here. Anyway, this is another project. Today's topic is not about this project. Today's main character is this one. You can see that I didn't tuck in these loose ends because I'm taking this apart, sadly. Let me try it on. So first I'm gonna just try it on over my undershirt. Looks like this. So kind of nice, right? And looks like so. The back. Here on the back, I knit as a one big piece and I sewed the back center seam together. I'm gonna show you in the clips that I recorded when I was knitting it. Next time I'm re-knitting this bra top, I'm gonna do a circular knit. So no stitching needed on the back. Let me just tuck in all those yarns. I think you can wear like this with the, probably this undershirt is not ideal. One way to style this with the undershirt is wear something see-through, like a black see-through long sleeve shirt would be very stylish. And also, of course, you can just wear this as it is. I'm gonna try to see how it looks. So yeah, let me try without the shirt on and see if I can pull that off. Do you think I can pull it off? I'm not sure. So yeah. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I want to style this bra top a little bit. I want to show you my Black Friday score. Is this a bucket bag from J. Crew? I think this bag is very popular. It's a low edition of the Row bucket bag, and I scored this half price. It was on sale, 50% off. I think it's really nice. It has suede on one side and leather on the other side. I don't have these kind of casual bags. All my bags are very structured, so I think this is a good addition to my wardrobe. Yeah, and put my glass on. Okay, so this would be look like. I really like my bag. It's a nice bag. Okay, let me take... Oh my gosh, there is a deer in my backyard. Oh, he's resting. Hold on, let me show you. Oh my god, the deer. Okay, let me see if I can... So here is how it looks without undershirt. I thought I couldn't pull this off. I wouldn't wear it this way, but if you are comfortable wear it this way, like without undershirt, I think it's really, really nice. Pair with baggy jeans, high-waisted. Yeah, you can definitely wear this without undershirt. And this is the back. So the original, the inspiration one, Hope My College bra, is tiny. I mean, it's tinier than my version. So basically the original version, they have very, very like narrow strap, and in this area it barely cover your this area. So I intentionally made it a little bit longer to have more coverage. It suits my lifestyle better. And even with this kind of coverage, I don't think I would be comfortable wearing it like this. But just want to show you to give you some inspiration. You probably would be able to pull it off. Yeah. So I think this is a really fun project to do. I mean, it's very rewarding. I mean, for this one, if I didn't repeat several times, I would be able to knit this. So now if I'm gonna reknit this cardigan, probably it's only take me like 5 hours top. So because I already know how to knit everything, and I don't need to do the trial and error process, because now you can do it because I've done it. So I'm gonna compile all the clips that I recorded during the knitting process, and I'm gonna just show you how I knitted this. But just remember, I'm gonna reknit this bra using another material. So yeah, stay tuned. I probably have enough clips for this video to show you the process, how I did it. Not very detailed, but at least if you are an experienced knitter, after you watched it, you will be able to know how to knit this. This was my initial imagination. This ensemble, like both cardigan and the bra. So this is half of the cardigan. So the cardigan, this is half of the cardigan. So my original imagination was like I have the yarn to knit both the bra and the cardigan. Now, sadly, only have enough yarn for my cardigan. But that's okay. I'm gonna get another yarn like in this kind of texture, just in a different color, maybe even a better color. So, yay! Success? I think so, right? Okay guys, I was trying to show you how the bra is gonna go together with my unfinished cardigan, and I totally forgot that I have this cardigan available. So here, let's see. Actually, this color is kind of matched with this color. So this is gonna be how it looks like with the combo, like the cardigan and the bra. It looks like this. Yeah, I would totally wear this combo with the cardigan. I think this color is really nice. Probably I'm gonna get this color for the bra because I think this yarn, they're still available. I'm gonna be really sad to see this bra goes. This is gonna be the whole look. And now I look at this cardigan, it's not that bad. And it's extra warm. And since this is a mohair blend, it's not pricky. It's not uncomfortable at all. But this one is 100% wool. It's kind of pricky. This one, yeah. So I definitely need to get some mohair or cashmere for this one. Let me style it for one more time. My favorite new bag, like so. And my god. Yeah. That's it for today. Oh, no, that's not for it today. Next, I'm gonna compile my clips of knitting this bra top during the 72-hour blackout, and I'll try my best to compile my knitting process for you. And yeah. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you found my video interesting or helpful or inspirational. If you enjoy the content that I'm creating, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. As you noticed, my channel is Hobby Livy. Knitting is just one of my hobbies. I do have other hobbies like sewing and cooking. I'm trying different kinds of videos because I really like to record things that I do, and I'd really like to share. So please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Until next time, keep knitting. Bye for now. Okay friends, I spent more time with my beloved top, the bra top that I really like, and I'm gonna be really sad to take it apart. So I spent more time with her playing around, and I realized this video is gonna be too long if I add the tutorial to this video. So the tutorial will be on a separate video, and that's gonna be coming next week. I'm actually editing it right now. So that's it for today, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud
Oh my god, the deer is still there. The deer is still in my backyard.